Personally, starting the magazine has just been so fulfilling to me. It's brought benevolence, it's brought joy, it's brought, you know, in the form of community bonding. Even my kids are like, "Mom, you're just so happy." I absolutely love what I'm doing. It's my passion. Hi, I'm Casey Cole. I'm the founder and publisher of Potomac Lifestyle magazine. The reason why I started the magazine was pretty simple. I love people, community, advocacy. These are some of the things and some of the reasons why I started it. Potomac Lifestyle magazine is under Lifestyle Publications, which is one of the largest at-home city magazines in the country. So on a local level, we have our amazing photographers, our writers, editorial team, and every month we come up with different stories based on theme, whether it's the woman's issue, the kids issue, and one of my favorites is the giving back issue. This is where the community comes together and tells their story on how they give back and how philanthropy can change their lives, and the readers' lives too. A great example of how the community is involved with Potomac Lifestyle. We get a multitude of emails every month with ideas, suggestions, and people who want to be involved. We love that. So you know, starting a publication is not easy. I literally had to go door to door and get people to believe in me, that I can create something that our readers would love. When I launched officially in 2018 with the very first publication of January, it was amazing, spectacular. I started at 50,000 monthly readers. It has now grown over the last 5 years to over 100,000 readers, and it's still growing. That distribution includes almost every home in Potomac. We also are directly mailed to Bethesda, Rockville, Chevy Chase medical practices, and you can also find us at the CVS, free for pickup, Giant, Stroh-Snyder's, your local retail stores, pretty much everywhere. Potomac Lifestyle magazine is a free publication supported by our advertisers. Some are local, regional, and even national.
We have been advertising with Potomac Lifestyle magazine for 3.5 years, and the results have been wonderful.
Potomac Lifestyle magazine has grown not just print, but we are a robust digital platform going well beyond Potomac.
Hello, my name is Richard Capoccia. I'm the owner of Competizione Sports Cars here in Montgomery County, Maryland. We've been advertising Potomac Lifestyle magazine here for quite some time, and we've gathered quite a bit of interest. A lot of our business previously has been word of mouth. We've gathered some very good car sales to the local clients in the area, more service work for our business. Potomac Lifestyle magazine has been fantastic.
We're very selective on our advertisers and partners. We're looking for unique products, services that have the highest quality. And the reason for that is to keep and maintain trust of our readers. And because of that trust, our ads in the magazine are highly effective.
So Potomac Lifestyle magazine, we've been advertising since the very first issue. It's delivered great results for us in our business, and I'm sure that it will be for any business here trying to reach the community in Potomac.
We've had so much success. So if you're considering advertising with us or becoming one of our partners, give me a call.